Sa bawat laban ng buhay, may dalawang pagpipilian ka. Ang sumuko o lumaban. Panoorin natin guys ang performance ni Marvin Diamante at ang kanyang kasagutan sa kanyang Q&A.
Marvin Diamante, Province of Laguna!
Tulad ni Marvin Diamante, hindi siya agad nanalo. Maraming pagsubok, maraming pagkakataong pwede na siyang huminto. Pero hindi. Sa halip na sumuko, mas pinili niyang magsikap. Ginawa niyang inspirasyon ang bawat pagkatalo. Pakinggan natin guys ang kanyang Q&A.
I can be memorable by sharing my stories. You know what? I joined a lot of pageantry. Yes, I won, but mostly I lost. And one day I realized that in order for us to become a better person, you should start on realigning yourself. Embrace all the failures, hardship, and disappointments in life. And I do so. And I'm here in front of you, confidently ready to face all the challenges to become Mr. International Philippines 2024. And my advice to all people out there, even though it took so long to achieve your dreams, please never stop dreaming. Never stop on believing, because one day, everything will be worth it. And the word soon will be replaced by the word finally. And tonight, this is my finally. Thank you.
Kaya kung may pangarap ka, huwag kang matakot, mapagod o mabigo. Tuloy lang at magtiwala sa Diyos. Dahil ang tagumpay ay para sa mga taong hindi sumusuko. Yun. Salamat po.